Yeah, I could probably count the amount of people that actually believed in me and on one hand. Very, very few. Dealing with a lot of people that would laugh at me, make fun of me, players, coaches, you name it. It was very few people thought that it would be possible. You know what? I think, and I believe strongly, it came back to this kind of almost like delusional quality that I had, or a delusional mindset, or what I call now a relentless mindset. And it just came down to ignoring. And I didn't really care what other people think. And I still don't care what other people think. I have a focus and a goal, and that was it. And I didn't let distractions to distract me. And that literally was like the burning fire that I had. Was every time the best motivational speech I ever had was somebody telling me that I was too short, or somebody telling me I couldn't do it. And that's what put a chip on my shoulder and allowed me to go out every day at practice and go head to head with guys that were 2-3 times my size.